Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn off all app notifications from chosen apps on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose notifications and tap on manage all. Over here you need to select one of your apps like browser and click on the switcher next to it. All notifications from browser are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click at the same switcher. You can also go back, select one of your apps from here, click on it, and manage notifications by tapping on the switcher next to allow notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!